Hi, I'm Joe Hupsey, and I'm here with the CEO of AMIQ, Cristian Amitroaie. Cristian, welcome, good to see you, and what's the update since DAC?
Well, since DAC we added a lot more functionality on all aspects, from code generation to compliance checking and of course development. We also polished a lot of the existing features based on the users' feedback. We are happy that our user base is constantly growing. And also equally important, we made significant performance improvements actually, because now we are exposed to larger code bases and you know how much code we have, verification code in particular, out there. So.
Now obviously the big development since DAC and the big announcement here at DVCon is of course the release of UVM 1.0. Tell us about that. I know you guys have been following this methodology since the ERM days, right?
Right, we are following these verification methodologies since the ERM days, and we've been supporting OVM and UVM early adapter, and of course now this is a significant milestone for the industry, now that you know at least we have some settled ground which will benefit both users and EDA vendors. We can build now solutions that are more based on a common ground, and you can be more creative. We are continuing practically our support, so we have capabilities for generating UVM code, and of course the UVM compliance checking, which we adjusted for UVM 1.0, and many other little wizards for handling different annoying aspects in UVM.
I was going to ask you about that within the context of there are users out there that had a lot of still have a lot of OVM code. They have ERM code. How do you help that user either migrate or just interoperate with the code that they have?
Well, I think for the users who have ERM code, the transition to UVM is, and we are talking here about e-languages, it's not that complicated. Like in a way the e-language is designed somehow to meet the methodologies, yes? Actually the UVM was born there, so no matter what. As for the users in SystemVerilog world, we have this OVM to UVM migration capability. We provided it also for UVM early adapter, and now we are adjusting it for 1.0, and this means that we can assist you, move all your code base from OVM to UVM.
Great. Well, the show doors are opening now for the afternoon program. I'll let you get to your booth and set up the demo. Thanks for taking the time to chat today.
Not at all. Thank you, Joe. And I'm glad to continue our series from the shows. Yes.
Great. We'll see you in the next show.
Okay. See you.